In this video, we are going to see the Bitquery Algorand Transfers API. All the API links will be in the description along with Bitquery Telegram channel link. You will need to sign up first at id.bitquery.io as a developer and you will get free 10,000 points to run and test the APIs. We are going to see two APIs in this tutorial around Algorand mainnet transfers. First one will be to get all the transfers of an asset on Algorand mainnet in a specific time frame, and second API will be to get the transfers where an asset is sent from or to an particular address. Make sure this is API v1 here because we have Algorand in API v1 only right now. Start with the first query to get all the transfers of an asset. Select Algorand and under Algorand select network as Algorand, and then under transfers these different colored attributes are basically the filters, and in these filters we're going to put our time frame, basically our date durations using since and till, and then also set the currency asset ID here under is. I'm going to set as USDC asset ID for which you want the transfers. So using options, you guys can order the result in ascending or descending order. I'm using here block height, and according to that I'm going to order the response in a descending order, and also limiting the responses to 10 and setting offset as 0. Now our filters are mostly done, and now we're going to select the fields we need info about. Select amount. We are also going to get amount in USD. I'll give this an alias name so there won't be any conflict. And now it's not showing any red lines under there. And now select currency details. Here put address and then symbol and also maybe name. Select sender, under sender address and annotation, and under receiver also we're going to select the same address and annotation. We're also going to select the transaction and under that hash. Also select the transfer type here. We're almost done. Let's run the query. We're going to set two more fields here, which is block height and block timestamp. And now run the query and it will work fine. You can see the results. First query is done. Now moving on to second API where we are getting transfers of token from or to the particular address. Select Algorand and under that network is Algorand, and then transfers, and under these put filters. And now I'm setting this currency this time. Also put the date filters here so that you can narrow down the results. So we have already set our date frame and also the currency, which is our asset ID basically. We need one more thing, the address for which we need to query for, which will be a receiver and a sender. So we'll need to use a any keyword here. Now using any keyword, we are going to specify our sender and receiver. Any of these conditions can satisfy, and if any one of these satisfy, we are going to put it in our results. And that's what any does basically. Now select the attributes you need info about. Now select amount. Select amount in USD. Give this an alias name so that it won't conflict. Select currency details, symbol, name, address, token ID, token type. Select sender, address annotation. Select receiver, address annotation also. And now select transaction, hash. Let's select fee, transaction type, and also transfer type. I'm just gonna run the query. You can see the results. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.